my name is Nisha and I'm back with this video on a huge demand of yours. Guys, I get a lot of your messages and email in which you ask me that how to learn English. So here I am with this video. Before we go ahead, I want you to subscribe this channel for more videos on soft skills and how to learn English. Guys, first of all, I want you to know that English is just a language, just like any other language. Whether you know Hindi, whether you know Punjabi or whether you know Bengali, any language is similar to English. And how am I saying that? Because when you were a kid, right, just try to think of that time when you were a small baby. How did you learn your mother language? Whether it was Hindi, Bengali or maybe any other state you belong to. It's by listening. Yes, our mother used to state few words again and again in front of us, and we used to listen that carefully and then we used to repeat that. So my dear friend, first thumb rule to learn English is listening. This is actually very important thing if you want to learn English. Now, how we can learn English by listening? Well, it will be very good for you if you start listening English news, right? You must have some English news channel at your home, or what you can do is the fun way to learn English is that I actually used in my life, that I love to listen English songs, right? And I used to write down their lyrics, I used to learn it, and then I used to sing it along with, right? That's actually a fun way. So if I talk about English, there are majorly four parts. One is speaking, one is reading, one is writing, and the last one is listening, right? So if you really want to work on your English, trust me guys, it will not take more than 6 months. What you need to do is that every day you need to devote, trust me, every day you need to devote at least 1 hour for yourself, for your improvement if you want to learn English. Now what you need to do, you need to give equally 15 minutes to all these four parts, that is reading, writing, speaking and listening. Now what we can do is, in reading part, that we can pick up any of your newspaper, English newspaper, you can pick up any article in that and you need to read it aloud. Okay, read it aloud, and also you need to find at least 5 new words every day. So this way you will add up 5 new vocabulary each day, right? What another thing you can do is, you must have a mirror at your home, right? So I personally love this exercise because I have improved my English a lot through this exercise. I call it pep talk, or I call it mirror practice, and I have asked all my students through all these years, and they have actually benefited from this. What you need to do is, you need to stand in front of a mirror and you need to speak in English whatever comes to your mind. You can pick up any particular topic if you want, or you can just talk about what comes in your mind, any thought, right? So this way when you talk to yourself every day, you will see improvement in yourself and you will also see your body language in that, right? Another thing that we can do is that maybe when you wake up or maybe when you're going to sleep, you can just write down in English about your whole day plan, right? If you wake up in the morning and when you decide to write, so you can just write down what is your plan for the day, right? Similarly, when you're going to sleep, you can write down certain things that you had done in your day, right? Or maybe you can choose any other topic that you have learned somewhere, you have read somewhere, you've heard somewhere, and you just write it down, right? So I have talked about reading part, right? 15 minutes of reading every day, 15 minutes of speaking every day, 15 minutes of writing every day, and 15 minutes of listening every day, right? And guys, while you are in this process of learning English, I will give you a big suggestion that you need to stay away from all the negative people in your life, right? I mean all the negative friends of yours who you think might make fun of yours while you are in this process of learning English, right? Because you will definitely find such people in your life, right? So just believe in yourself and just go for it. Just feel that, okay, so today is the day I am starting this course of learning English with Nisha ma'am, and I'll be there with you. I'll upload many more videos, so just stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you need to subscribe it now. And also please share this video with your friends and family who need to learn English. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Hey there, if you really want to be happy and successful in life, do not forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon in order to receive all the notifications.
Hold up.